Hey there guys, welcome back to Infowords, where we dive into all things fascinating and weird from around the world. Today we are talking about a creature that's like something straight out of a fairy tale, the golden toad. Imagine a toad that shines like pure gold, hopping around in the lush rainforests of Costa Rica. It's not a myth, it's the real deal. The golden toad, known scientifically as, is a rare and mesmerizing sight. First discovered in 1966 by herpetologist J. Savage, this small amphibian quickly captured the attention of scientists and nature enthusiasts alike. The golden toad, known scientifically as Encilius peregrinis, was first described in 1966 by herpetologist J. Savage. First off, let's talk about its looks. The golden toad is unlike any other amphibian out there. Its vibrant metallic golden skin is a sight to behold, making it one of the most unique creatures in the animal kingdom. Despite its flashy appearance, the golden toad was actually quite elusive, primarily living in a small area of the Monteverdi Cloud Forest Reserve. Despite its flashy appearance, the golden toad was actually quite elusive, primarily living in a very specific region, the Monteverde Cloud Forest in Costa Rica, covering an area of only about 4 square kilometers. The golden toads had a unique breeding season, typically occurring during the rainy season from April to June. During this time, males would congregate in temporary pools and compete for females. The bright orange or golden coloration of the males was used to attract females during the breeding season. This vivid coloring made them stand out in their dark, humid forest environment. Life cycle and habitat. The golden toad had a very specific habitat, the high-altitude cloud forests of Costa Rica. These toads relied on the moist, cool environment of the forest floor for breeding. Their life cycle included a fascinating migration to small pools of water during the rainy season for mating. The males, with their bright golden color, would gather in large numbers to attract the more camouflaged females. After mating, the females would lay eggs in temporary pools, where the tadpoles would develop. These temporary pools were crucial for their reproduction, but also made them vulnerable to changes in weather patterns and environmental conditions. In the mid-1980s, during one of the last recorded breeding seasons, over 1,500 golden toads were observed in a single pool. However, by 1988, the population had plummeted dramatically, with only 10 individuals found, and by 1989 only a single male was seen. Golden toads primarily fed on small insects and invertebrates, playing a crucial role in controlling the insect population in their habitat. These toads had special adaptations to live in the humid cloud forest environment, such as permeable skin that allowed them to absorb water directly from the environment. Decline and extinction. Now you might be wondering why you haven't heard much about the golden toad before. Sadly, this magnificent species is considered extinct. The last confirmed sighting was in 1989. Several factors contributed to their decline, including habitat loss due to deforestation and climate change, which disrupted their breeding cycles and drying up of the pools necessary for their reproduction. However, one of the most devastating factors was the outbreak of chytridiomycosis, a deadly fungal disease caused by the chytrid fungus. Climate change significantly affected the cloud forest's microclimate, leading to drier conditions which disrupted the breeding habitats of the golden toads. Despite extensive searches, no golden toads have been found since. The rapid and unexplained disappearance of the golden toad has been a major wake-up call for conservationists around the world. One of the most devastating factors was the outbreak of chytridiomycosis, a deadly fungal disease caused by the chytrid fungus, Batrachochytrium dendrobatitis. This disease affects the skin of amphibians and interferes with their ability to absorb water and electrolytes, which is vital for their survival. As amphibians, golden toads played a crucial role in the ecosystem as both predators and prey, helping to maintain a balance in the insect population. The first signs of decline were noticed in the late 1980s when researchers observed a significant drop in the population during the breeding seasons. Recent research and conservation efforts. But it's not all doom and gloom, folks. Recent research has focused on understanding the factors that led to the golden toad's extinction, with the hope of preventing similar losses in other species. Conservation efforts are underway to protect and restore the Monteverde Cloud Forest Reserve, aiming to preserve the delicate ecosystem that once supported the golden toad. These efforts include habitat restoration, research on climate impacts, and breeding programs for other threatened amphibians. While the golden toad may be gone, the lessons learned from its story are invaluable in the fight to protect our planet's biodiversity. In recent years, scientists have used modern technology to study the preserved specimens of golden toads. This research has provided insights into the genetic makeup of these toads, helping to understand how they might have adapted to their environment and what made them so susceptible to diseases like chytridiomycosis. Understanding the genetic and environmental factors that led to the extinction of the golden toad is crucial. It can help scientists develop strategies to protect other amphibian species that are currently at risk. Local and international conservation groups are working together to protect the Monteverde Cloud Forest, involving local communities in conservation and education efforts. The golden toad was listed as endangered by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, in the late 1980s before being declared extinct. The golden toad has become a symbol of the impact of climate change and environmental degradation. As we continue to study these incredible creatures, we unearth more than just fossils. We discover the story of life on Earth and the importance of conservation. So there you have it, folks, the golden toad, a magical creature that truly shone bright in the world of amphibians. Let's do our part to spread awareness and protect these precious beings. Remember, every small action counts in the fight against extinction. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating journeys into our planet's history. See you in the next video.